Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install a Redmine plugin on a Bitnami stack that is installed on Linux. Okay, so in our example, we are going to use our Agile plugin. However, the steps are absolutely the same for all our plugins. So, the very first step that you have to do is, if you use a light free version of a plugin, you have to go to our plugins list and choose a plugin. So it could be, for example, a help desk. The help desk does not have a light version, but for example, CRM plugin, and just click on download. Here, the light free version could be sent to your email address that you're going to set it here. It is going to be sent automatically and instantly. However, if you have a pro version, a licensed version, you have to go to your license manager and download the very latest version of the plugin. So in our example, it is the Agile plugin. That is a pro version 164. Okay, so the next step is to go to your Redmine core folder and then find the manager Linux run file and double click on it. The Bitnami Redmine stack is going to be started. Here you have to click on Start All button, so you will start your database as well as the web server. You have to wait a couple of seconds because these processes need some time to be started. Okay, it is done. So let's go and check what is going on. We just click on Access Redmine, but still there is some time to be waited because Redmine has just started and it needs some time to load. Okay, so we see that our Redmine has just started, and we check our information here to see our plugins. We are going to install Agile plugin here. Okay, so let's go. Go back to your downloads folder and extract the archive that you have downloaded. So we have to go into the inner folder here and copy this one. It is the Redmine/Agile. Then go back to your core Redmine folder and enter apps, and then Redmine, and then htdocs, and then plugins. Here please paste your folder. Alright, so the next step is that you have to open your command line, and I'm going to make it bigger for you so you can see it better. Okay, so you change your directory to your core Redmine folder and then execute the use Redmine file. It is very important step. It is done with a /use Redmine. So now you are into your Redmine. The next thing is that you have to change your directory to your core Redmine folder again, and then up Redmine htdocs. So the first command that you have to execute inside there is bundle install. This command is going to install all the required gems for the plugin you are trying to install. So the next step is to do the migration. The very important thing here is that into the name you have to put the name of the plugin you are trying to install. In our case it is Redmine/Agile. So we wait a couple of seconds because the migration is in progress now. So our migration has just finished, and the very last thing that we have to do is to just open our Bitnami Redmine stack again and click on Restart All here. So the database as well as the web server are going to be restarted. So all the changes that we have made are going to take place. Okay, so the processes are restarted. We go back to our Redmine now and refresh our page. Still, we have to wait here a little bit more as well, because Redmine has just been shut down and then started again. So it takes some time to load. Okay, our page is now loaded. So we see that the Redmine Agile plugin has just appeared here. So we have done our job successfully and we have installed a Redmine plugin on a Bitnami stack installed on Linux operating system. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it is being helpful for you and see you into the next ones. Bye bye for now.